Let us continue practicals on information gathering. In this practical, we are going to cover mirroring website using HTTrack website copier. HTTrack website copier is an offline browser utility that downloads a website to a local directory. It can be difficult to perform footprinting on a live website. In that case, you need to mirror the target website. This mirroring of website helps you to footprint the website thoroughly on your local system. As a professional ethical hacker or pen tester, you should be able to mirror the website of the target organization. This lab will demonstrate how to mirror a target website. HTTrack is a Windows utility. You can download the latest version of HTTrack website copier from the link www.httrack.com or simply in the Google search box type download HTTrack. Website mirroring creates a replica of existing site. It allows you to download a website to local directory and analyze all the directories, HTML files, images, flash videos and other files from the server on your computer. We have completed the download of HTTrack on our personal computer. If the open file security warning pop-up appears, just click run. Follow the wizard steps to install HTTrack website copier. In the last step of installation wizard, uncheck view history.txt file option and click finish. Uncheck the option and click finish. If the application doesn't launch, you can launch manually from the app screen. Please click next and enter the name of the project in the new project name field. Select the base path to store the copied files and then click next. Enter www.certifiedhacker.com in the web address, that is the URL field, and click Set Options. Click the Scan Rules tab and select the checkbox for the file types as shown in the following screen. Then click OK. Just tick all the three checkboxes and then click OK. By default, the radio button will be selected for the phase adjust connection parameters if necessary. Then press finish to launch the mirroring operation and check disconnect when finished. Click finish to start mirroring the website. HTTrack can also update an existing mirrored site and resume interrupted downloads. HTTrack is fully configurable by options and by filters. Filter by file type, link location, structure depth, file size, site size, accepted or refused sites, or file name. Site mirroring progress will be displayed on your screen. HTTrack displays the message mirroring operation complete once the site mirroring is completed. Click Browse Mirrored Website. The mirrored website for www.certifiedhacker.com launches. The URL displayed in the address bar indicates that the website's image is stored on your local machine. If the web page does not open, navigate to the directory where you mirrored the website and open index.html with any browser. Some websites are very large and it might take a long time to mirror the complete site. If you wish to stop the mirroring in progress, click Cancel on the Site Mirroring Progress window. The site will work like a live hosted website when you cancel the mirroring process. You can see that the entire website is completely downloaded. This makes an ethical hacker an easy process for pen testing.